You like to think different, then. Look around you. The chair you're sitting on, the screen you're watching, it all feels so solid, so permanent. But this entire theater of reality is built on a foundation of staggering fragility. A cosmic balancing act so precise that even the slightest deviation would rewrite existence. Today, we're running a thought experiment. We're taking the universe and changing just one tiny detail. What if we add each atom with one extra electron? It sounds harmless, right? A microscopic clerical error. But let's shrink down to the quantum realm. Normal atoms follow a strict rule. Positively charged protons perfectly balance negatively charged electrons. This electrical neutrality is the only reason you're alive. The only reason planets form and stars ignite. Electromagnetism is a sleeping giant, about 36 orders of magnitude stronger than gravity. Normally, it's neutralized, leaving gravity to sculpt the cosmos. But by adding one extra electron to every atom, we've awakened the giant. We've shattered nature's symmetry, turning every atom into a negatively charged ion. Suddenly, the universe is armed with an impenetrable repulsive shield. Coulomb's law dictates that like charges repel. If two apples were given this extra electron, the repulsive force between them could lift the entire mass of the Earth. Extrapolate that to every atom everywhere. The repulsive force becomes essentially infinite. At the molecular level, it takes a fraction of a picosecond. A water molecule, a delicate sharing of electrons, violently detonates as the oxygen and hydrogen atoms suddenly intensely repel each other. Now scale this to your body. Complex proteins unravel, DNA aggressively tears apart. Biology ceases to exist before a single pain impulse can travel along a nerve. Macroscopic objects suffer the same fate. Intermolecular forces invert. Your chair, your room, your city, all instantaneously vaporize into an expanding cloud of highly energetic, negatively charged atomic shrapnel. A pure kinetic detonation of matter furiously rejecting its own proximity. What about Earth? The planet's gravity is utterly outmatched. Our blue marble doesn't just crack. It undergoes perfect radial disassembly, detonating into the vacuum of space. The Sun, our massive fusion reactor, loses the inward pressure needed to sustain its fire. It violently throws off its layers. The same happens across every galaxy. The universe is irrevocably reduced to a rapidly expanding, dark mist of isolated atoms racing away from each other at near the speed of light. This apocalyptic scenario reveals a profound beauty. Every breath you take, every massive galaxy spinning in the void, depends on an impossibly delicate balance. We live in a meticulously engineered masterpiece of quantum precision. The fact that protons and electrons perfectly balance is the only reason we exist. Reality isn't strong. It's perfectly balanced. Subscribe to Thinkit. It tells you the unknown.